Welcome to Final Cut, everybody.
Hi. No. Oh.
So while we're able to make it tonight.
Oh no.
Is everyone excited for the show?
No.
Go on, make haste. You don't want to miss the premiere now, do you?
Oh, I like your makeup.
Thank you, darling.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the light makes it worse because I can't see what's ahead of me. I'm scared. No, please. Nobody be there. Oh no. Oh my god, please. No, somebody's gonna reach their hand in there. Oh my god. I knew it. Oh my god. Oh, that's a model. Okay, hold on. That's a whatever this is.
A mannequin.
Oh my god. Yeah, a mannequin, thank you. No, please. I can't. I can't even hear what you said. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I can't breathe. Oh my god, I'm out of. Are you a person? You are a person. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys are so pretty. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Someone's gonna reach their hand through the window. Please. Please. Okay. Oh, no, you're a mannequin too. Please. Oh my god. Is that a fly swatter? Wait, hold on. No, please. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Have you seen the final cut yet?
No, I closed my eyes. Oh my god. What's the final cut? What's the final cut? Oh my god. Please. Oh, there's so many books here. You guys, I don't read. You're right. No, this is a dead spot right there. Someone's gonna come out the fridge. I fucking know it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You can cut that out. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you catch a burp on this mic? Oh my god, please. Oh my god. No, not the bathtub. Nothing happens.
Not bad.
Hi.
But it's a better news, right?
Ew. Oh god. Oh, here's someone behind me. I don't know if that's my team or not. Oh my god. There's someone on the table. Is that a table or a bed? That's a bed. I'm sorry. I'm kind of blind. I'm so sorry. I'm trying. Thanks, Oh no! It's a closet. Please nobody touch me in the closet. Oh my god! Oh my god, please! Please nobody touch me! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh hi! Hello! Oh my god! Ew! That stinks. I'm so sorry. Oh my god! Please! Oh my god! Oh my god! Who is? Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh god, I almost fell.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a great empty spot to stand in. Don't come out! Oh my god! Don't come out! Who is that? Someone's over there! Oh, sorry, that's a shadow. That's not nice! I'm so sorry! Oh my god! Is that like the replacement for mistletoe? Oh my god! Oh my god!